guys, Eric here with another quick video. If you like the content, be sure to subscribe for more videos just like this. So today we're going to show you a real quick and easy way to duplicate a page. So let's say, for instance, I'm working on a site right now that deals with a locksmith who has multiple pages, but you want to keep sort of the same theme. So instead of just recreating the page, I can just duplicate that page and then make another one based on that. So how do I do that? Well, first of all, if this is the page, for instance, that I want to keep what it looks like, I want to copy this whole idea and paste it onto another separate page. So here's one page all by itself. And what we're going to do is just go right down here where it says copy all content. Okay. Now keep in mind that I've already created the other page, so you got to make sure that you do create another page for this to go on, and I've added the page. So now I just go right here, click paste, and it'll look exactly like the one that I just started with, and I can add anything I want to it, and that's just an easy way to copy and paste a page in Elementor. Hopefully that helps you guys out. See you real soon.